When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body, they go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo gbona feli, say mo gbona feli. You know get money, you take up police.
Hi everybody, welcome back. I really appreciate you guys tuning into my channel, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and always follow me on social media, Henricka Beauty for every social platform, and Henricka99 for Snapchat. Thank you guys. Let's get into this video. Today I'll be doing a review on the hair bonnet. As you guys, well, most of you guys have already, I've done a video before about a bonnet that I created. So actually handmade hair bonnet, and I'm a hairstylist, and I know a good bonnet is really needed, and not just because of the hair. Also, sometimes you want to go out to the store, you don't have time to get your hair done, you just want to rush to the store. So I decided to create a bonnet that's stylish enough so that way you can run to the store without you having the basic bonnet. We're not doing basic hair, honey. We're doing cute. You know what I mean? So I created a reversible 100% satin because satin is good for your hair. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys my creation. I'm really proud of you because I work so hard, sometimes day and night, no sleep. So let's get into it, guys. This is the rose gold, one of the most popular color, most popular ones every customer like. So outside is rose gold, and then inside it is kind of like a mocha brown, so like very light tan brown. I feel like it goes great with this color. So when you put it on, it's completely reversible. I'm gonna be showing you guys pictures of how they look like. So, see? Completely reversible, and it's big enough. No matter how big, no matter how big, how long your hair is, it's gonna fit. No matter how big your hair is, it's gonna fit. So yeah, no matter how big your hair is, it's gonna fit. That's what I wear to bed every day, and I have so many feedback from customers saying that you can just look at the quality. I'm not just bragging because I saw this. I'm actually gonna show you guys a video of me sewing them. So I'm not just bragging. Look at the quality. Like, I take my time to stitch every single thing over and over, and they're all double stitch. Yes, one of the popular color, and you guys will know it's mine. And when you guys buy it, it have my name on it, have the tag. It's gonna say Henricka. It's gonna say Henricka. I have my name on it. So yeah. Comes in pink. This is like light pink, which is actually pink, and then the inside is like fuchsia, but it's like pink also, with multiple different color pink. So it's pink also. Here it is. But yeah, also reversible, completely reversible. And then I also have a purple one, and all of these also come in kids. I even have mommy and me, so you guys can choose it. I even have a section where you can customize it. So if you don't see a color that you really love, you can actually customize it. Yeah. Here you go. Different colors, lavender and purple. And when I said there's one time, which was on Friday, I stayed up 72 hours. I did not close my eyes once because I have to go to an event where I had to show myself sewing, and I was sewing every single day and night. Yes. And then the other part is I also have, I'm from Africa, you guys already know, from Sierra Leone, West Africa. And I also have my African print. I still have my African print. See, inside is lined with satin. So it's the cotton is not gonna touch your hair. It's lined with satin. And it's big enough, as I said, big enough to fit any hair, no matter how, even if you have dreads, honey, it comes with it. See? And we have a different, I also have the hair wrap that matches this. So like the turbans and stuff, it matches this. It's line. And also don't forget to watch my video on the hair wrap so you guys can see. I even show one where I'm actually wrapping them. Look at it. And as always, comment. I have, if you go to my website, you can see I have different options. I even have the African black soap. My grandma go to Africa every 4 months, and she will bring my black soap from Africa. That's the only thing I use on my skin. I don't use nothing else. I'm so nervous to use something else. Since I was born, that's the only thing I've been using. So she went home, bring it to me. I bought it from Africa, and that's why I come sell it here. And it's very reasonable price. Whenever you see, you would tell it's a real African black soap. Nothing is fake on it. So yeah, that's got my skin. This is all. That's all I use on my skin. Yeah, so you guys always message me in the comments below. I'm gonna reply, and as always, follow me on social media, guys. Love you guys. I miss you guys. I will see you guys very soon on the next video. Bye.